Hello guys, my name is Shohail Raza and you are watching my new channel Raza Cool in English in YouTube. So guys, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Panasonic's convection model microwave oven and all the other buttons and functions you need to know about. So in this video you will get complete information. In my old videos, the video quality and audio quality is not good. I also think that you must have had some problem in the previous video. In this video, quality and audio quality is very good and very detailed and very well told about demo. So friends, let's start the video, but before that, I want to tell you that if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that the notification of my latest video reaches you first. If you have any problem with your fridge, air conditioner, washing machine, or you want to talk to me on that topic or need any solution, then you can comment me in the comment box. If you use Instagram, Raja Refrigeration 777 is my Instagram ID. Then you can talk to me by following me. I will be happy to help you. So friends, let's start the video. So friends, we have come to Panasonic microwave oven. Now I will tell about all its buttons and functions in very easy language. So let's start the video guys. If you ever use a microwave, whenever you use a microwave, the round glass plate and the rounding plate attached to it will have to be kept permanent. This is a part of the microwave. Whatever item you want to heat, reheat or preheat, then you have to place the item in the center of the glass rounding plate. And then placing the item in the center, the stuff will heat up. We have 3 timings for using the microwave oven really well. 10 minutes, 1 minute, and 10 seconds. These 3 timings will be used for our daily routine. From cooking to grilling to convection, all will be used in this timing. Now from here we will start the timing of 10 minutes, and from here we will press the start button and the timing will go in reverse duration. After the completion of the timing, the oven will stop. You can also stop your oven with the button. And if you open the door even in the middle of the timing, then your oven will stop from here too. Even with the door open, we can check whether the item is hot or not, then you can close the door. If you press the start button again, the timing will start from there. And if you press this button twice, then our timing will be 0. Now whatever stuff you keep, 10 minutes is too much. Food is cooked in daily routine, or you have to heat lentils or heat milk. So the timing of even 5 minutes is sufficient. Now this first timing is of 10 minutes. Now if you keep pressing this button, it will be plus in 10 to 10 for 30 minutes. After that there is a program of 1 minute. If you keep doing plus in 1 to 1, then it will be plus in 1 to 1. Its timing is up to 9 minutes. And the timing you have set, it will start in that timing. After that, this is the shortest timing of 10 seconds. 10 seconds as you press, it will be plus in 10 minus 10 in seconds. If you want light papad roast, then you can use this timing. Pay attention, if you use all 3 programs, then you will put only glass ball or micro safe ball. After putting the stuff, you start your oven straight. After that, whatever timing we were putting, it is set in auto. After that we will come through the folder micro power. Low, medium, high is given in micro power. You can set the heating capacity with micro power from here. So you have set. After setting you will set the timing and start. So the heating capacity which is set to high will remain. You can use glass ball or micro safe ball in micro power. The next button is the grill. If we want to roast anything, we will use the grill button. If you are making non-veg and have big pieces of chicken, then you will set in 1. If there are small pieces of chicken, then it will be set in 2. First you have to select grill mode. After that you will put the timing and then you will start. Note that you have to use a rake to do the grill and use a glass ball. Next button is convection. The function of the convection button is baking. Like if you want to make a cake, make a biscuit or make a pizza, then you can use the convection button. You have to preheat the microwave before making a cake or making anything. You can set C according to your convenience. But sometimes you have to preheat the empty microwave. Then you will press the convection button from here. It is set to 180 C. After that you will press the direct start button. Then it will start for preheat. This was auto mode. If you want to heat your feet with timing, then you can start by putting timing as well. Next button is combination. Combination button. If we want to connect micro power or grill, then you will use combination. Hope you are making something that is cooked from inside and crispy from outside. So for that it is generally used. Whenever you use the combination, use it in a glass ball. After selecting the combination, you will enter the timing from here and start. Total 3 modes are given in combination. Have 1 micro power and grill. 2 micro power and grill is in high power. 3 micro power and grill is in low power. It works in low, medium, high. After that you start by putting the timing. After that the next button is auto defrost. In auto defrost, veg or non-veg is kept in your fridge and there is a lot of water in it, and if the water has to dry then this button will be used for that. Auto defrost has chicken in 1. 2 large pieces of chicken. 3 has fish and 4 has mutton and 5 has vegetable and fruit. After selecting you have to select its weight by moving the button up and down. After selecting the weight you have to start it. So he will dry the moisture and bring it to normal temperature. After that you see whatever program is given in the blue dark line, it is auto cook menu. You don't have to enter timings in the auto cook menu. You have to select the mode and press the express button. After that you will see that 1 to 1 is written and in number 1 reheat soup. After that pour the soup in and press the start button. So will start in 50-second timing. After that if you want to do it 1 to 2 then you can do 1 to 2 with the up down button. After that you will start if soup or coffee is 2 cups you will start it by doing 1-2. After that comes to the Indian menu. Here also potatoes and peas start from number 7. Have to mix stuff and put in and start. After that 13 minutes time is given and after 5 to 7 minutes you have to take out the stuff and mix it. After that the next button is rice menu. The option is given here in the rice menu. 19 has fish casserole. Steamed rice is a very common option. For steamed rice, we will set 20 with the up-down button and as soon as we start, it will automatically take 17 minutes of timing and will give you rice ready. This is a cook menu. This is an auto cook menu. Don't put timing in it. Normally you have to select the code and start. Now you see related to cleanliness, there is a glass plate here. After that, take a ball, put white vinegar, cut lemon slices and slightly more quantity of water in it. After that keep the ball inside. We'll start by setting the timing of 20 minutes. The smoke that comes out of it will remove the bad smell and cockroaches will also go away. Then you wipe it with a wet cloth. After that wipe it with a dry cloth. Just you do not have to clean the quota plate, you can clean the rest of the surface. Hope guys you have understood the information given by me, then you like my video.